Let's look at the markings on the 40-year scale more closely. As the name implies, the 40-year scale is 40 years. This represents two things. First of all, 40 years is the transition period for each part of the Enhanced CPP, the first additional CPP and the second additional CPP. This means it's going to take 40 years to get the full effect of the changes that were introduced for the Enhanced CPP. By full effect, I mean the full effect of the new higher earnings replacement rates that the first additional CPP and the second additional CPP introduced. Seeing the impact of the 40-year transition period for your particular age is one of the main purposes of the Enhanced CPP Reference Tool. I provide a variety of examples of how the Enhanced CPP impacts different people at different stages in their careers in other videos. Second, each part of the Enhanced CPP always uses your highest 40 years of earnings when calculating that respective part's portion of your total CPP retirement pension. This happens regardless of what age you start taking CPP. This means the 40-year scale can be used to see things like how many of your worst earning years are forgiven depending on the age you start taking CPP. Before I end this video, I want to describe the purple graduations on the 40-year scale. Each graduation is 1 year, which represents 2.5% of the total 40 years that are on the scale. The largest graduations indicate 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%, which corresponds to the 10, 20, 30, and 40 years on the scale. Next, I'll show you how to read the 40-year scale together with the age scale and the timeline.